Like Marina. Gotta have tools to work. We got a boat trip. I'm about to go out on. Up there?
Yeah, it's not popularity of this rec track and diving down to Miami Beach. Out here, they look to go to dive the M60 Army tanks, which are very popular down there. And they're sitting kind of like they're in battle with each other. They have them sitting face to face with some boulders in between them, so they're like firing at each other. You have that, and not too far from that is the old number 7, which is supposed to have been an old coal carrying ship that was up in the Erie Canal area, and they use it. They sunk it down there, and then there's some other barges around there that were used for the I think it was the John C. Copen Memorial, where there's rebar in the ground, and you can follow the rebar from one wreck to another, and it makes it easy to navigate that way.
How important is this for diving down here?
Very important, and of course, you know, become protected areas. You know, they couldn't spearfish on them because it's really important, you know, that you be able to see the marine life like it is. And most divers would rather shoot them with a camera than shoot them with a gun.